Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. We'll change this icon for this app. Now to be able to do that, first we'll come to this official website pubdev, and over here we'll install this plugin to do it. And you see it has a lot of likes over here. Anyway, so according to the guide of this one, so we are going to copy this section over here. So up to here, we'll copy from here, and then we'll come over here and paste them. Okay, and it should look like this. Okay, and after that we'll do pub-get. All right, and at the same time we have to do one thing. As you see over here, it says that image path. Now we have to define our image path. We have to have assets, icon, and your icon name. So I've already done it. So inside my project I have this assets folder, icon folder, and then this icon. So this is the icon that we want to be able to show. Okay, now we'll come over here and we have to run one more command. So we'll copy this one and we'll run this command. All right, so over here eventually you should get this message. It says the successfully generated launcher icons. Okay, now we'll go ahead and run our app and we'll see what happens to this icon. So here we see the launcher icon has changed. Okay, and if we go back and check it over here, the icon is changed over here as well. Thank you.